Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hey, I'd love to get your thoughts on something real quick. Do you have a moment to jump on a call?
Wait a second. Get your thoughts? Pick your brain? What am I, some kind of science experiment?
No, not at all. These are actually very common business English expressions.
Exactly. If you work in English, if you talk with clients, or communicate with coworkers and colleagues, you need to understand these phrases.
Not only to sound professional, but also to avoid awkward moments at work.
Hi everyone, I'm Noah.
And I'm Ava, and this is Speak English with Ease.
Today, you're going to learn 20 essential business English phrases, plus 5 bonus acronyms you'll see all the time at work.
All right, let's get started. Number 1, a case of the Mondays, means feeling tired, lazy, or unmotivated at the start of the work week, especially on Monday.
Ever wake up on Monday and think, ugh?
That feeling has a name. I have a case of the Mondays.
Or people say, Mondays, am I right?
For example, I can't focus today. I've got a case of the Mondays.
Or blaming technology. This printer isn't working. Mondays, am I right? Number 2, when you have a minute.
Means a polite way to ask someone for a little bit of their time.
This one is polite, calm, professional. When you have a minute. Or do you have a minute?
For example, when you have a minute, could you review this report?
Respectful, friendly, perfect for work. Number 3, bounce ideas off someone.
Means to share ideas with someone and hear their opinion, not final decisions. Imagine ideas bouncing back and forth.
I'd like to bounce some ideas off you.
You want opinions, not final answers.
Let's grab coffee and bounce ideas off each other.
Number 4, first thing in the morning. Means doing something immediately at the start of the day. Notice no the here.
First thing in the morning, I check my emails.
Or I'll finish the report first thing in the morning.
Number 5, pick your brain. This one scares people. But don't worry.
Pick your brain means to ask someone for advice, thoughts, or experience.
I'd love to pick your brain about next quarter. Number 6, hop on a call.
Means to quickly start a phone or online call, usually unplanned.
Can we hop on a call?
Perfect for phone calls or Zoom meetings.
Number 7, shoot off or fire off an email. Means to send a quick and short email.
I'll shoot off an email after this meeting.
Or fire off an email and I'll reply tomorrow.
Number 8, keep someone in the loop. Means to keep someone informed and updated so they are not left out.
Please keep me in the loop.
Or keep the manager in the loop.
Number 9, brainstorm means to think together and share many ideas freely.
Let's brainstorm marketing ideas.
Some ideas work, some don't, and that's okay.
Number 10, debrief. Means to talk about what happened after a meeting, project, or event.
Let's debrief after the presentation.
What worked, what didn't, lessons learned.
Number 11, slacker means a person who is lazy and does not do their share of the work. Uh-oh.
A slacker doesn't do their part.
He's always lazy. Such a slacker.
Number 12, workhorse. The opposite, and we love this one.
She's a real workhorse.
Means a person who works very hard and is reliable.
Number 13, all hands on deck means everyone is needed.
We need all hands on deck.
Urgent, important, no excuses.
Number 14, micromanage. Nobody likes this.
Means to control every small detail of someone's work. Too much. Example, stop micromanaging me.
Trust your team. 15, align. Means to agree with or support the same goals or plans.
Silent G, align.
Our goals don't align.
Professional and powerful phrase.
16, streamline. Means to make a process simpler, faster, and more efficient.
We streamlined the process.
17, scalable. Means able to grow and expand without losing efficiency. Perfect for business growth.
The idea is scalable.
18, lost in the weeds. Means focusing too much on small details and missing the big picture. Too many details.
Let's not get lost in the weeds.
19, circle back. Means to return to a topic or question later.
Let's circle back to that.
20, put a pin in it. Means to pause a discussion now and talk about it later. Important, just not right now.
Let's put a pin in it. 5 business acronyms.
EOD, end of day. We need this by EOD.
OOO, out of office.
ASAP, very urgent.
FYI, for your information.
And our favorite, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. Congratulations! You just learned 20 essential business English phrases. plus 5 acronyms. Tell us in the comments. Do you use English at work? Or do you want a job where English is important?
Don't forget to subscribe or like the video.
Thanks for learning with Speak English with Ease.
See you next time. Bye.